Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Yesterday already completed decimal numbers and their types. That is terminating decimals, non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals also two types. Non-terminating recurring decimals, non-terminating non-recurring decimals. So every terminating decimal and non-terminating decimals can be converted into rational numbers, that is p by q form or rational numbers. Every non-terminating non-recurring numbers cannot be converted into rational numbers. Okay, yesterday completed. Today how to convert the terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals converted into rational numbers. Converting terminating and non-terminating recurring decimals terminating and non-terminating recurring decimals into rational numbers. Okay, first terminating decimals. For example, 2.57. How to convert the 2.57 into rational numbers? Simply, after decimal points, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So simply write 257 by 100. You keep the two zeros beside 1. Okay. If you after digit decimal point, you will two digits are there. So you keep the two zeros after zero in denominator. This is simple, a terminating decimal. For example, 15.75. 15.75. 1575 by or 2. Okay, 2. How many digits after decimal point? 3 digits. So you keep the 3 zeros in denominator. 1.2. So how many digits after the decimal point? Only one digit. So 12 by 1 0. That's it. This is the terminating decimal simple conversion into fractions. If it is a simplest form, 2 6 times, 2 5 times. So 6.5, 6 by 5. If it is cancelled, 2 table, 2 7 jar 14, 1 7, 2 8 jar 16, 1 5, 2 7 jar 14, 1 2, 2 6 jar. Again 2 500 times. 2 table, again 2 3 jar 6, 1 8, 2 9 jar 8, 2 3 jar 6, 1 6, 8 times by 250 times. Again 2 table. 2 1 jar 2, 1 9, 2 8 jar 18, so 2 9 jar 18, 2 9 jar 18, 1 3, 6 jar 12, 1 8, 9 times by 125. These are cancelled? Okay, it is not cancelled. So this is the simplest form. And it is also say 14, no cancel. Okay, leave it. This is the A decimal terminating decimals converted to rational numbers. Rational numbers means fraction form. So this is the fraction form. It is very easiest one. For suppose it is a non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. How to convert the non-terminating recurring decimal into rational numbers? For example, first one 0.4 bar. 4 bar means how many digits taken after point, after decimal point? I don't know. It is non-recurring, repeating decimal. The 4 is repeating again and again. 0.4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and so on. How many digits is, I don't know. We don't know. That's why how many zeros write the denominator, we don't know. Is in this case, how to solve the 0.4 bar into rational numbers? Okay, listen. Here, how many digits take a bar? Only one digit. So this is taken x. X equals to 0.44444 and so on. Okay. How many digits on the bar? The bar is how many digits are there? Only one digit. So if one bar is one digit, you multiplied both sides with 10. If bar is two digits, multiply with both sides with 100. If bar is 3 bars, for example 0.27 bar, it is multiplied with 100, 2 bars. For example 0.056 bar, so multiplied with 1000. So one zero is increasing if digits are increased. If 2 bars is there, 100, 2 zeros, 100. If 3 digits bar, 1000, 1000, 3 zeros. If 4 bar, 10,000, like, and so on. So here multiply with 10 on both sides. Both sides multiply with 10. Okay. 10 into x equals to 0.4444 and so on into 10. 10 into x, 10x equals to, if multiplied with any number with 10, the decimal point is move to one digit. So 0.4 can be changed by 4.4444 and so on. If multiply with 100, two digits after take the decimal point. Multiply. Okay. This is the 10x equals to 4.4444 and so on. What is the x value? X equals to 0.4444 and so on. Okay. Subtract both, minus 10x minus 1x, 9x. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 4.0000 and so on. 9x equals to 4.000 means after decimal point zeros is there is no value. You will take only 4. X equals to 4 by 9. So, a non-terminating recurring decimal 0.4 bar is a non-terminating recurring decimal. So, this can be converted into rational number. Okay, here and also what is the period? Period equals to 4. What is the periodicity? Periodicity means how many digits a bar? Only one digit. So 1. Periodicity equals to 1. If periodicity equals to 1, multiply with 10. If periodicity equals to 2, multiply with 100. If periodicity equals to 3, multiply with 1000. If periodicity equals to 4, multiply with 1000. 1 means 1 besides 1 0. 2 means 1 beside 2 zeros. 3 means 1 beside 3 zeros. 4 means 1 beside 4 zeros. That is the conversion of non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. Again, rational form can be converted into non-terminating recurring decimal. Is it true or false? Once you check. 9 ones 9. It is more than. So 0.0. 4 times. How much? 36. Remainder is 0. 4. 0. 4 times 36. 4 0. 4 times 36. 4 0. 4 times 36. 4 0. And so on. Is it clear? This is the conversion of non-terminating recurrent decimal into rational number. Again, example 2. Once check. .5 bar. 0.5 bar. Here, what is the period? Period equals to 54. The total digits. Periodicity, number of digits bar. Periodicity equals to 2. This can be written as x equals to 0.54, 54, 54, 54 and so on. Now what is the multiply with? Multiply with 10 or 100 or 1000. Here periodicity 2 means 2 zeros. I means 100. Multiply with 100 on both sides. 100 into x equals to 0.54545454 and so on into 100. Okay, 100 into x, 100x equals to, with multiply with 100, 2 zeros. So the decimal point move to 2 digits after. So 54 point, the decimal point is converted to here. So 54.54, 54, 54 and so on. Subtract this one. X equals to 0.54, 54, 54 and so on. Subtract 100x minus 1x, 99x. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 5, 5, 0. 4, 4, 0. 5, 5, 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 5, 54. So, after decimal, you will take x equals to 54 by 99. These three two numbers are cancelled any number? Yes, it is division by 3 table. 3, 18 times, 3, 33 times. Again, 3, 6 times, 3, 11 times. Therefore, x equals to how much? 6 by 11. So, a non-terminating repeating decimal converted into fraction form, that is rational number. Once we'll check 6, 11, 0.0. 11 how many times? 5 times. 55, 50. 4 times 44, 60. 5 times 55, 50. 4 times 44 60. 5 times 55 50. 4 times 44 60, and so on. Okay, this is conversion of terminating decimal, non-terminating recurring decimals converted into rational numbers. Tomorrow we will discuss about another examples of conversion of these decimal numbers into rational numbers. Thank you.